Hello everybody. Today we want to talk about building a merch store. So stick around. We'll see how we log in and add some merch to a store and see how it looks and see an example of someone using it on their YouTube page. Les Waller here with Financial Independence Now, and we're here to make $10,000 a month within a year YouTube challenge. Join us on our journey. First, we're going to go ahead and look here at Darryl Eves' video that he just put up. We'll put a link in the description down below. But the reason we're showing this is if we come here, you see we got Darryl Eves merchandise, Teespring. So Teespring has a thing with YouTube and helps them to advertise for the content creator. So I've already got a merchant store with Spreadshirt. You can see here I've uploaded a single design, and with that single design that allows me to put my logo on all sort of different types of merchandise. So you got sweatshirts, aprons, t-shirts. You've also got women's clothes, kids and babies. Can you imagine a little baby with a little Waller Dog logo? Accessories, mugs and stuff like that. Cases. So if you want to have your iPhone case with the Waller Dog logo, you can do that. That's already set up on Spreadshirt.com. Now, we said we wanted to show you how to set up a merch store. So we don't have anything set up on Teespring, and since Teespring's working with YouTube, I thought it'd be a good way to demonstrate it live. Well, live when I'm recording this. So we got here, Teespring, time to start designing. We want to create and sell. Name your app, name your store. I'm going to go ahead and put YouTuber anyway. All right, so we're just going to keep it simple this time. Let's design phone cases. Add an image. This time we're just going to do phone cases so that we don't waste time if it's not going to work for some reason. We'll select all the colors. Oh, we'll do purple last. I think that way we might be able to keep that as the one we display. Done. We'll leave the prices as is. Continue. And we're just going to leave it at phone cases. Continue. Waller Dog Gaming. Logo and name based on marine mascot being a bulldog and me wearing glasses and hunting cap while gaming. Publish. Oh, so this time it looks like it worked. And you can actually, oh, it has different sizes for your different phones. Hey, maybe we should get one for our own case. 22 euros, a little steep. So let me know in the comments below, what's a good price for an iPhone case with somebody's logo on it? What would you be willing to pay? Share this design. Well, why not? So I'm putting the hashtags that would relate to the gaming channel and what I was doing there. I really don't expect anybody to buy anything. That's not the intent. But I just want to show you how easy it is to set up a merch store and get things on the road. We'll tweet it out both accounts. There you go. You can see what it looks like here on the desktop. So that's how easy it is to set up a merch store with Teespring. So if you're interested in doing that, or you want to make money online, this is one of those ways. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Or is it over there? Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more information on how we set up social media stuff, how we set up making money online, making money from home. Thanks for watching. So I'm not sure what we got captured on film here, but we just completely designed all the products that Teespring has to offer. Let me put this on so it doesn't get feedback. I just completely designed everything that Teespring had to offer. After trying to finish everything, it's like, sorry, we can't find the page you're looking for. What? The campaign is no longer available due to content issues?